Today I'm going to show you a wireless mouse. This is the Hama MW-110, one of the most popular and cheapest Bluetooth mice right now. And I'm going to show you everything about this mouse to see if it's really good. But first, subscribe to the channel because I bring new products every week. So, about the specifications of this computer mouse, it is a wireless mouse, works via Bluetooth. It's a mouse with 3 buttons. One of the buttons has a wheel. It is an optical mouse with a resolution of 1000 DPI, compatible with Windows, macOS and Linux operating systems. The communication is through a Bluetooth receiver, which works at 2.4 GHz, with a maximum distance of 8 meters from the computer. And for power, the power supply you will need are 2 AAA batteries. Let's see everything that comes inside of the box of this mouse. Let's first open the box, and we have the mouse. We also have 2 AAA batteries included, and also we have the manual with some information. And inside the box there is nothing else. So we have the user manual, the wireless mouse, the batteries, and the Bluetooth receiver that is stored under the mouse. With a small size, you can see that is smaller than my hand. That if I compare it with a normal mouse, I have this mouse here, which is about the size of an adult's hand. And we can compare the size. You can see that this mouse is a little smaller than a mouse with a size suitable for the hand of an adult. Therefore, you must take into account that the size of this mouse will be a little smaller and may not be ergonomic for you. About the batteries, the mouse includes 2 batteries. Just remove the batteries from the plastic, and on the bottom of the mouse you will have to remove this cover. And here you will place the batteries as shown in the drawing. This battery is placed in this position, and the second battery is placed in the reverse position on top, and the mouse will turn on automatically. There is no button to turn it on. We can now place the lid to close. The sensor light continues to blink. And now let's connect the mouse to the computer to see how it works. So let's see how easy it is to connect this mouse to a computer. The batteries are already installed. Let's remove the Bluetooth receiver from the mouse and let's connect it. We insert it into a USB port. The computer has already detected a connected device. The receiver is just a few millimeters. And now, to turn on the mouse, click one of the buttons, and the mouse turns on, and it's working. I can now control and interact with this computer with a wireless mouse. And it's that easy. Just put the Bluetooth receiver on the computer, and it works immediately. Very simple. I hope you like this Bluetooth mouse, but I will do more tests to see if it's really good and durable. But now, subscribe to the channel because I bring new products every week. Like the video, and if you have any questions, write in the comments.